Hi! Today a little breeze of spring. Ribbon pansies. Asiasiowo. First, cut out 5 pieces of ribbon. Fold the corner. Sew through the edge. Fold the other corner. And sew to the end. Pull the thread to form a petal. Do the same with the other 4 strips. Now cut out 3 pieces of ribbon. Make the petals in the same way as previously. Glue 5 large petals together. Then 3 small ones. Glue them together. To make a flower with stalk, first rub the wooden skewer with a ribbon. And then attach the petals. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!